out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to.
Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's your girl Team Stacy and we are back with another video. So in today's video, we are going to be installing this wig that was sent to me by the company SOFEEL. This is their 22-inch, 13x4, 180% density loose deep wig. They did go ahead and send some lashes, a razor, and some standard wig caps. So this was my initial review. This is me just freshly taking this wig out the pack. And first things first, I'm obsessed and in love with the curl patterns. I love a loose deep wig. This is super duper cute. This is what the construction of the inside of the wig is looking like. It's one of those laces that are not super deep. They're kind of short, but today we're gonna make it work. Now, I did go ahead and customize this wig off camera. I do have a video on my channel already of how I customize my wig, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. But this is what the wig is looking like. Here, I'm just checking to make sure it is covering the full perimeter of my head, which it is. We have no hair seeping out on the sides, which we love that. So if you watch any of my videos, girl, I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it, okay? You know what time it is. Get that hot comb and get to work, period. But I'm just kidding, guys. Basically, what I'm doing here is I'm just hot combing the hair, making sure the roots of this wig is nice and sleek. That is the #1 key tip. Ding, ding, ding. Write this down. Get that notebook out, girl. This is how you're gonna make your wigs look flat and look like it's coming out your scalp. You want to make sure you do not neglect that hot comb. I take it as far as I part the hair into sections, as you guys see, and I get in the roots. I get in between, and we get this wig nice and flat. Okay, this wig would not be a Team Stacy approved wig if we can't get it flat. Okay, I just have to say that. So this is a new technique that I've been trying out. I like to section off a small portion in the beginning of my hair, and this is where I like to install the spray or the glue. It's not really glue, it's a lace adhesive, but in spray form, and I feel like glues are like usually white and gooey, and this is not. So yeah, anyways, what I'm doing here is I'm just cutting out my ear tabs so we don't have some discomfort around the ears. And I finally tried the black spray from Eben. You guys know I've been using the red one, but I finally purchased the black one because I said I wanted to try it. And girl, pause right now, let me tell you guys something. Get the black spray. I go to the gym 4 days a week, and when I was using the red spray, my wig will start lifting. But when I use that black spray, girl, I can literally sweat and it does not come off. And it says it on the bottle, it's sweat resistant. So definitely get the black spray. Hands down, love it. So this is my first time trying it out, and so far I was liking it. We're just doing my standard install, spraying in between the two sections of hair, taking a comb, combing it through, and then blow drying it on a cool setting, right? So we're just making sure this wig is just gonna be nice and laid on the head. Alrighty guys, so here I'm just making sure that we're not having too much glue go on the front of the hair. So I'm just taking my time and combing it out and making sure the hair is nice and flowy and not crunchy in the front of my head. And then here we're just taking a little bit more of that black spray, which is not black spray because there's a difference. This is the Even lace spray, but we're just taking more of the black can and we're just spraying some more glue just so the front of the lace is laying down and not just like the back of it in a way. Hopefully that makes sense, but I'm going back in and blow drying it on a cool setting. Next up, we're going back in their goodie bag, and I'm going to go ahead and take an eyebrow razor to cut the lace today. So I'm just going in the middle, and I'm just taking the lace, and I'm just kind of slowly shredding through this lace. The eyebrow razor is very sharp, so it's just getting right through that thin lace, which we love that. And you guys can see for reference about how much lace do I leave extra on my wigs. I don't leave too much because you don't want too much lace. But with this one, I feel like I left just a little bit more than I usually would. But the wig still came out really, really cute. And now I'm taking more glue and just spraying down the perimeter of the lace, because sometimes when you cut, it just kind of causes the lace to lift a little bit. So this is just our last safety spray. After that, I'm going to go ahead and just take my elastic band and tie that on for about 10 minutes. And while I'm doing that, girl, I'm picking up my handy dandy hot comb and I'm just hot combing my hair. Because this is a no part wig today, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of hot comb the hair in the directions that I want it to lay. Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dog, we gon' see how. So once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and just take some face powder and then put that on the lace. I feel like I left a little bit too much lace at the corners of my hair, so it definitely needed some lace powder to tone it down. And because I left a little bit too much lace, we are gonna have to do edges with this wig. So for my edges, if you guys want an in-depth like kind of detailed tutorial on how I do my edges, I definitely can do that for you guys. Just comment down below and let me know. For today's edges though, it was a little bit, I was going through it. I felt like it just wasn't laying how I wanted it to. Typically my edges are very, very quick to achieve, but this one I was struggling just a little bit. But as you guys see in the intro and in the pictures, it ended up coming out perfect. But this took some time, y'all. If I did not cut this clip, I promise you, you guys would have been watching me do my edges for like 15 minutes. Like, it was getting me so mad. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to. In the meantime, while I style my edges, comment down below and let me know, do you guys like, you know, big dramatic edges, or are you more of like a natural girl? You guys like more natural, you know, seamless edges? Definitely let me know, because if you guys are more natural girls, I definitely want to try that out and see how I would look with more natural edges. But for me, girl, I always end up going big on big on big. So definitely comment that down below. Are you a dramatic edge girl or a natural edge girl? Feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give. So this is what the hair is looking like, poofy. I did do all edges on both sides, but I just showed you guys the two edges that I did. Now I'm just taking some water and I'm just spraying the hair just to bring the curls back. As you guys can see, instantly putting water on this unit, the curls are coming back. It's adding a little bit of juice to it, you know, juicing her up, and it is definitely looking good. I have no complaints with this wig. I really like it. I ended up wearing it in a middle part a few days later and it ate. So yeah, I really like this wig. But here I'm just adding some spray leave-in conditioner from Aussie, which this smells so freaking good. Even though I do wash my hair, my wigs, when I use them, I still like to add like stuff that smells good. I just love it. Like, it's just so, I love it. But here I'm just taking some mousse. This is a new mousse and I'm honestly obsessed with it. But I'm just taking that and I'm just putting it on mostly the top of my hair just so it can lay how I want it to lay. But I'm working that through the curls so the curls can pop as well. And this is what the hair is looking like, super wet. But if you guys know me, lately I've been into really like kind of big hair. So I'm going to let this dry up and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once it's poofy. Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. In today's video, I wanted to do a install / review video for you guys. This hair was sent to me by SOFEEL Wigs and this unit is honestly gorgeous. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So if you are interested in getting your hands on this wig for yourself, definitely check the links down below in my description box. I have purchasing links and I also have promo codes for you guys so you guys can get a discount, because why would I bring y'all a video without getting y'all to save some coins? Like, why would I do that to y'all? I will not do that to y'all. I love y'all, okay, period. But yeah guys, that is pretty much the end of today's video. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.